3 simple steps to customize your document workflow. The system intelligently assigns a dedicated inbox and auto-configures forwarding rules. Setup is a breeze, giving you complete control from day one. Imagine this. Vendors send emails, and IDP instantly recognizes and initiates the process. From start to finish, everything flows seamlessly. No more manual intervention, no more endless back and forth. It's effortless, integrated, and smart, just the way it should be. At the heart of it all is cutting-edge AI technology. It precisely extracts key details like invoice numbers, amounts, and vendor information. Within seconds, data is structured and ready to go. No more manual data entry, no more second guessing. Plus, the intuitive interface makes verification quick and stress-free. Efficiency like you've never experienced before. One click is all it takes to export perfect Excel spreadsheets, flawlessly formatted for ERP imports or accounting entries. Say goodbye to manual input, reduce costly errors, and free up your time for higher value tasks. It's about working smarter, not harder. This is more than just intelligent invoice processing. It's a complete transformation of how you handle documents. Experience it today and lead your enterprise into a new era of automation and efficiency.